Good evening, Miss Eunice. My name is Sarah, and I'll be presenting my project 2 concept design for our packaging. I believe that creativity is intelligence having fun, and it's totally true. Every time I design something, I definitely feel have fun creatively trying to think of an idea, trying to plan it in a way that it is professional and presentable to the crowd and audience. Firstly, I'll be presenting my concept and my research. So far, I believe that we start from the product, then to the packaging design. Maybe for some people, it'll be um, what design you are leaning towards more will be definitely what you want your product to match towards it. But I feel like starting from the product helps to us to design and reflect it better sometimes. Mm, Definitely. So, firstly, I believe, okay, again, this is not working out. One, two, three. Good morning, Miss Eunice. My name is Sarah, and I'll be presenting my project 2, concept design for the packaging. I've taken the quote, creativity is intelligence having fun, quoted by Albert Einstein, to sum up all the progress and the work behind the scenes when we started out this project. So firstly, I'll be presenting my research and concept ideation in a mind map. So we started with what is in the product. So I wanted my design to reflect it very well. At first, initially, I wanted to go with jam because it's something which is commonly seen on the grocery shelves. So I wanted to go with strawberry jam, pineapple jam, mango jam, maybe a bit of a twist. Maybe I will try to incorporate different type of flavors. But in the end, I wanted to try to search out and look furthermore. So far, I went back to all the way to my childhood and found cereal. So the first product was chocolate banana cereal crunch. Secondly is strawberry cereal crunch. Thirdly is apple cinnamon cereal crunch. I chose this package and I wanted it to be fun. As you've seen a lot of the examples on in the supermarkets, in Aeon, you'll find that always the packaging is either a, a very abstract art and sometimes a lot of cute illustrations, cartoons, designs. It's just fun, bright, happy, and energetic. And I wanted it to be that to attract the who is generally my targeted audience would be the children and which would be and the bias would be the parents. So in terms of this, it'll be the families. But it does not have to be limited to that because even adults enjoy eating cereal. So my cereal product is more of a nutritious one where all the good stuff, the good things for your body will be in it for you. The brand name will be called Dino Crunch and I wanted my typography to reflect that. I explore a lot. Honestly, I was leaning towards more the rounded shape, but I really had my heart set on this after getting some feedbacks from other people and I decided on Acer Bad Text Noir. I find that the heading is very bold, which is something which I was really looking for, and yet it was fun deco, and I like the spacing in the letters, which makes me feel like it reflects the word crunch a lot. And for the sub-brand name font, I chose Chauncey Pro Regular. I wanted the sub-brand name font that reflects the flavor to be more of a very casual style because I wanted it to be really casual because I mean suited the packaging. So first concept will be on chocolate banana cereal crunch as I mentioned before. I was thinking of more leaning towards the concept of island. Initially we were trying to lean towards trying to reflect more of dinosaur themes, but after a while I find that going with the island theme totally makes it all just feels right. For the second concept, since it's a strawberry cereal crunch, I'm going for more of strawberries, pinks. The dinosaur is also pink. And the third concept for the apple cinnamon cereal crunch, when I think of apples, I think of freshness. And when we think of freshness, we always think of, oh, the farms always have fresh stuff. They get it straight from the tree and they can wash it and eat it fresh. So I'm thinking of more towards farm and red and all the things that reflects the flavor. And I wanted a pattern that is unique, not always drawn. So I went with camel, red, and we use fans design. Again, so this is our first design for the chocolate banana cereal crunch. The chocolate drippings is not done yet, but the chocolate drippings is meant to be on top and at the bottom. Yeah. So, and for the banana pattern is meant to be at the side of the border on the vertical sides. So it will be reflected at the same side of the other part here. Empty boxes will definitely be for all the information, etc. The second one is the strawberry cereal crunch. I had a bit of trouble with this. Initially, it started really well because the pinks were going well, the bowl looks good. I love the way the cereal looks like there's all the milk spilling out. And when we went with the triangle, the color at that time, initially, as we have seen the mood board, we want to go with pink, but I went with yellow because the cereal was pink and it didn't look well, and we didn't manage to find the right color that wasn't too strongly contrasting with the pinks and the blues. I chose a softer yellow, but it did not work out. But we'll be definitely developing it. We'll be definitely changing the color. And this is the third concept. As you can see, is more developed compared to the second concept. Although I do feel there's quite a need for improvements, and I'm looking for more feedbacks on this. So I added the sun and the brand name, and then if you notice closer, there's the apple, and the cereal is also reflecting the colors of red and green, and the cinnamon is in dots. I was thinking more of like something sprinkling. Maybe we'll add a shaker with a word cinnamon in it to reflect it more clearly what is being sprinkled on. So that is all for my presentation. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it was informative, insightful for all that you needed to know. And I look forward to any feedbacks on how I can improve this. And thank you so much for listening.